In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Rolling VWAP Channel Indicator in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy step-by-step guide. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. Any market or time frame is fine for this setup. Once your chart is up on the screen, look towards the top of the platform for the Indicators button. This is usually near the toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in and community indicators are stored, and it's the starting point for adding anything new to your chart. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click inside that search bar to activate it. This search feature is helpful because TradingView has a huge library of tools, and using the search will get you to the right indicator much faster than scrolling through long lists. Now, in that search bar, start typing Rolling VWAP Channel. Type it slowly enough to make sure it's spelled correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the indicator from showing up in the results. As you type, TradingView will filter the list below. Once you see Rolling VWAP Channel appear in the results, click on it once. The moment you click it, the indicator will be added to your chart automatically, usually as a set of bands or a channel around price. With the indicator now showing on your chart, the next important step is to adjust its settings so it matches your style of trading. To do this, hover your mouse over the indicator name in the upper left area of the chart, or directly over one of the lines on the chart until you see a small gear icon. Click on that gear icon to open the settings panel. Here you can customize things like the look, colors, line thickness, and any inputs the indicator offers, such as how the VWAP is calculated or the width of the channel. Take a moment to tweak these settings to make the indicator clear and easy to read on your screen. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and you want access to features like additional indicators, multiple charts, or extended data, check out the link in the video description to sign up. Using that link will take you directly to the correct sign-up page, and then you can follow the platform's instructions to create or upgrade your account. And that's all there is to it. Follow these steps and you'll have the Rolling VWAP Channel Indicator added and customized in TradingView Pro in just a few minutes.